happy Friday, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Kelsley Nicole, and a lot of what you're going to find here are videos focused on natural hair, beauty. I like to get into a little bit of DIY. I believe in living my best life on a budget, and I am a super duper big fashionista. I love fashion. It's very much a part of my life. In today's video, we're going to be talking about that. I'm going to be styling for you guys a few of my favorite blazers. If any of them are sold out, I am going to link an alternative in the description box so you can find that there. But before we get into today's video, today is a very special day. Today is Juneteenth, and if you're not familiar with what today is about, I'm going to link that below as well. There's a lot of information circling the web, but in case you missed it, I'll link it for you. This is not just an important day for the Black community, but this is a notable day in our nation's history, and it really should be noted as such. Which leads me to my next point. There is a petition that is going around. You can sign it. It is to make Juneteenth a national holiday. It is not a national holiday, if you did not know. There are some states who don't even recognize the holiday. But there's a petition going around for that, so definitely check that out. And my last bit before we get into this video is, if you're unsure of how to partake in today's celebration, you can educate yourself, you can learn more about the context of this holiday, but you could also support Black-owned businesses, which I'm rocking one right now. I will link the brand for this in the description box as well, and I'll link a few others that I shopped earlier this morning. Make this a continual thing, you know? Black-owned businesses are not just for Black people. I think that sometimes there's a misconception there. There are Black-owned businesses in so many different categories, and I think it just takes a little bit of research to run into them. So definitely do your best part to support those businesses today and every day, because they're absolutely amazing. Anyways, that's my little spiel. Let's just get into the video.